We support our customers on a global basis with a broad range of products and services. We can work collaboratively with our customers and collaboratively with the global Nelipak development team. Our goal in Nelipak is to engage our customers and the product engineers at our customers as early as possible when they're in the process of developing their new devices so that we can put forward a range of ideas, innovative packaging formats, a range of alternative materials, sustainability. We can take all that into consideration as early as possible. So when our customers get their products through regulatory approval, we're there with a complete packaging sterile barrier system that protects the product from the point of manufacture to the point of patient care.